Hey everybody, welcome to Hodl and Shill. I'm Crypto for Columbus, and today we're going to be doing something very special. It is an unboxing of our RNS.ID. So if you've been following along, I jumped in when RNS.ID first launched, and that is basically a digital residency to Palau. So we've gone through that process. It's taken about 12 weeks in total, and I finally got the ID. So it came in the mail in an envelope in a mailer, and it looks like this. So it came in a beautiful red envelope that says RNS, and on the back here we've got this beautiful wax seal. It is really nice. So really nice touch with that. And so let's go ahead and open it up, and I'll show you guys how it looks, what it looks like. So inside of the envelope you get this half-page fold, and I just dropped the ID there. That's okay. You get this half-page fold, and it says Palau Digital Residency ID, and then it says, we would like to share this pledge with you, drafted with the help of children from all over Palau, to encourage protection of the environment and preserve for future generations. Today we welcome you as a digital resident, and we hope one day to welcome you as a visitor to our beautiful island of Palau. And it says, children of Palau, I take this pledge as your guest to preserve and protect your beautiful and unique island home. I vow to tread lightly, act kindly, and explore mindfully. I shall not take what is not given. I shall not harm what does not harm me. The only footprints I shall leave are those that will wash away. Very nice. That's a beautiful little poem on the back there. And when we open it up here, it's got a note, and so I will read that to you here. It says, congratulations, we're delighted to welcome you as a resident of Palau. As a new member of our global community, we would like to encourage you to use our digital platform developed by Cryptic Labs. Through our platform, you can access digital residency services and renew your ID card in the future. Our platform can be accessed at www.rns.id, and then it says, here's your official digital residency card from the Republic of Palau. You can continue to use the RNS portal with your original login to manage your ID, and we plan to roll out additional services over the course of 2022. And it says, for any questions, email us at contact@rns.id, and then it's got a QR code with my referral link to refer other people to the program. But yeah, that's it. And then obviously we have the actual ID. I'm not going to put that up here, obviously, for security reasons. There's no reason to be flashing around an ID card. But that's it. So very, very nice. I would say this is a really high quality way to deliver it. Really nice touch with the poem, the wax seal, and the information. So very excited to see what rolls out. I did see in the Discord that there is people that have already used it for KYC on some exchanges. I'm going to be doing the same thing like we talked about. So the idea here for me is to be able to use that on the exchanges for KYC, and then use that on the programs that we use, like AltTrady for our trading across multiple platforms, and the trading signals there, and everything else that we want to use it for. It can be used anywhere that a typical government ID is used. So very excited. I will continue to keep updating everybody on the more features as they roll out, and everything else that comes along with the program. But I just wanted to show you guys what the ID packet looked like and what you can expect, the welcome packet. So that's it. We'll see you in the future videos, and thanks for watching.